I'm Dr. Deepak Bhattacharya. Today I am here at Welingkar Institute to conduct a workshop on personal branding. This workshop is conducted by the hybrid division of Welingkar Institute of Management. So what we are going to do, as we all are aware, that the brand is something which is very, very important. It could be a product, it could be a service, it could be an individual. And therefore, how does an individual do personal branding so as to get effectiveness in its marketplace? So the workshop today that we are going to do is a workshop which basically tells participants that how do you go about and do a very effective personal branding. So the participant will learn about how do they make their brand avatar. They will learn about how they do their digital print impression and how do they work with an offline and an online presence. So in offline we are going to understand everything that are required to make your personality, confidence, and to show what you would like to show to people with respect to their brand. And in online, we are going to talk about LinkedIn as a platform and what do we do and how do you optimize your LinkedIn profile to be really existence and known in the online world. And all of this we will learn through tools and templates and discussion. This is going to be an absolutely interactive workshop and I'm sure people will enjoy. Thank you, Welingkar, and thanks to all those who are coming in. God bless you.
Myself is Zain Ansari. Actually, today I've attended a workshop, and in Welingkar school we have a PCF and VCF lectures also, and they are very helpful to the students. Today we have learned about the personal brandings, and the branding is very important to be boost your product. So what we have learned from Dr. Deepak Bhattacharya that he has teach us to boost your product is more important than to make a brand. Once your product is converted into the brand, you no needs to boost that brand. So first of all, try to make your brand in a something different way, so it create a uniqueness, and try to make a slogan which create a mindset of common people. Thank you.